Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinchilla, and today I'm showing you guys how I used to do my makeup back then. As you guys can see, my makeup was super unblended. Under my eyes were way too white. My contour and highlight, it was way too harsh. And those lashes, honey, I don't know what I was doing, but obviously I thought I was doing something. But after practice and learning the angles of my face, I transformed into a beautiful swan that now knows the angles of her face, that now spends time with blending. And I'm letting you guys know that over time your makeup will become a lot better too. Don't give up, just keep practicing, just keep learning, and stick to what you love, because this is my comfort zone right here. This is the natural look that I like about my makeup. Okay, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details. Let's get into the video.
Say me been around few girl, but something about you, girl. My condition, my mind, but me still confused, girl. Love it when you turn.
Okay, so let me start with my eyes. What I'm doing right here is I'm concealing because I haven't been sleeping very well of late. So I have wrinkles and I have black circles. So I'm concealing my under eye. Wherever there is discoloration, I try to correct that. I'm using a sponge to blend. This is a Real Technique sponge. I really like Real Technique sponges. After blending out the concealer, I'm gonna apply my foundation. Love this foundation. This foundation is from Milani. It is super cheap and super full coverage. Do not, and I'm gonna say it again, do not sleep on this foundation. I'm blending, and I always have a damp beauty blender whenever I blend my foundation. Now after I finish blending my foundation, I go in with concealer. I still use LA Girl Pro concealer. I really love this concealer. I think this is in the shade light ivory. No, light. I don't think it's light ivory. I think it's some beige something. I don't know. I'll list it below. So I'm adding my concealer to the areas, as you know, that you want to come forward. And what I do these days, I add my concealer and then I leave it to dry down, because it really works. You really get a lot more coverage whenever you allow your concealer to dry down. I'm just gonna go in to do the brows. As you guys can see, I'm using the spoolie to just brush my brows into place. I need a shape up with my brows, but I'm letting them grow out. I don't think I'm gonna do them or get them waxed until my birthday. My birthday is in October, Scorpio. Yeah, so I'm doing my brows, and I'm doing it the best way I know how, because they're super duper out of shape. Because what happened is that I've been doing them for myself of late, and I normally get them waxed, so they're super out of shape because of what I did to them. So now I'm just allowing them to just grow back. So after I added my, as you know, eyeliner, I use any cheap dollar store eyeliner. Then I go in with my spoolie, and then I start to blend my, eyeliner in with my hair, because I really like when my eyebrows look natural. I don't really like when, them too harsh. So I'm just gonna clean it up with some concealer. Same concealer that I'm using to clean up my brows is the one that I'm using under my under eye. So yeah. Some people use concealer under the eyebrow and then they use foundation at the top. I don't do that. I use concealer both areas and then I just blend in. See? So everybody do their makeup different. I start to blend out my concealer under my under eye and all the areas where concealer is on my face actually. Remember guys, blending is important, and when you finish blending then you want to add the powder. But remember to always blend properly, because once you set it, you have to set it and forget it, okay? So make sure there's no creases, make sure there are no clumps. The powder is going to get clumpy. My god, I love this powder. I really love this powder. I don't know how some people don't like it. It's so soft. It's so soft and it absorbs into your skin so easy. I love it. I love it to the point where I feel like I want to eat it. But don't take me serious, okay? I was just using this primer that I had sitting around the house. I don't remember the name of it like that. Like I said before, I'll list it down below. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. I don't really go all out when it comes down to eyeshadows. I stick to the things that I like, which are mainly brown colors and like gold or bronze. I love those colors for the eyes. Remember you guys, you can use whatever eyeshadows you have, okay? I'm not so big on products. I use what I have. I go in and I line my eyes with my liquid eyeliner, and then I sing a song, and after I sing a song then I go back in and I finish my liner. After I finish my liner, then I'm gonna add my eyelashes. I'm doing some liquid contour, well, cream contour. The contour palette that I'm using, you guys already know, it's the cream contour from Black Radiance. Oh, I didn't apply my lashes. Yeah, because I had them drying. But yeah, you know, you gotta apply your lashes. These lashes are some Ardell lashes. They're not very expensive. They're very cheap. Normally, when I buy these type of lashes, what I use 4 of them. I double them up, and they get very full, and they still look natural. I really like these Ardell lashes. The band of the lashes aren't so thick, and I like when band lashes are thin, because then you won't have that straight line streak going across your eye. So that's what I like about these lashes. But yeah, like I said, I'm smoking out the bottom of my lid, and then I'm gonna add some mascara and our mascara, and then I'm just gonna, you know, pop some gold right into my eye, tear duct right there, and then I'm gonna just set my face overall. After I finish highlighting and everything, I go and fix my hair, put on some lip gloss. This lip gloss is from NYX. I don't remember the name of it. We'll list it down below, but it's a nude, and I really love it. So that will conclude the look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to thumbs it up, remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember guys, over time, with practice, you will get your makeup how you love it. Until next time, it's your girl Chinchilla, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.